What if I told you there was a need to install the latest update to the Google Play Services app right now? How would you go about that? What about an update to the Google Play Protect service application or the Android System WebView application? Many of us are used to these apps updating in the background since Android itself doesn't have dedicated app icons for many of them. There are a lot of these system apps that help Android to run, and until now, it was rather difficult to manually update them since we had to find them individually through the apps section. But a new page has been added to the settings application within Android to make this process much easier. Let's take a look. To find this new page, we first need to launch the settings application, and then most people will scroll down to find the Google menu here. But some OEMs have started putting the Google Services menu up here at the top. So look for that Services menu and then tap into it. And then from here, we're going to tap into the All Services tab. Now we scroll through this list until you get into the Privacy and Security section. Now, if this feature has rolled out to your device, then you're going to see a System Services menu right here. Google has been working on this update since at least July of this year, so it may not be available on your device right now. But I am personally seeing it more widely available, so it's definitely worth checking for. This is the new page that Google has been working on, and you can see that it's going to be divided into 3 different sections. The top section is for apps that have updates available to them. So instead of going and hunting for these one at a time within the apps section, instead we can tap on one and update it directly from here. Tap on the next one and update it directly from here. We can do that for all of these that have updates available to them right now. You're also going to have a section for apps that are up to date. And then you may have a section at the bottom for these apps that are not yet installed. You can see here on my daily driver, I do not have the Android System Intelligence app installed, as I have previously uninstalled it. I don't have the Google Partner Setup app either. And if we wanted, we can tap on that name and install the app directly from this System Services page that Google has added. So instead of having to find each and every one of these through the apps list, we now have a centralized location for not only finding new updates, but we can also see if there are any components that we have not installed yet, or apps that are already up to date. Google seems to be making a lot of drastic changes to Android lately. Many of them I do not agree with, but at least some of the new additions like this one are actually useful to the community. So be sure to let me know if your device has this new menu yet, because I'm curious to learn just how far along Google has come to finishing this phased rollout. And please, do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel too for more Android tips like this one.